In this video, Dason AI Studio brings you a design in the style of Candy and Candy, featuring a black and white color scheme. If you are interested in obtaining the original image, please feel free to contact us privately and we will provide it to you for free. Candy and Candy, as an internationally renowned interior design firm, is celebrated for its luxurious, exquisite, and highly creative design philosophy. Their design philosophy is deeply influenced by modern art and architecture, skillfully blending traditional and modern, as well as Eastern and Western elements to create unique and harmonious interior spaces. A common thread in Candy and Candy's designs is the use of a black and white color scheme, which not only provides a strong visual impact but also reflects their ultimate pursuit of detail and meticulous selection of materials. In the interior designs by Candy and Candy, the interplay of light and the fluidity of space are of paramount importance. They are adept at combining natural light with artificial lighting to create a warm and layered lighting environment. In terms of spatial layout, Candy and Candy focus on balancing openness with privacy, using clever partitions and furniture arrangements to create spaces that are both transparent and intimate. Additionally, they pay special attention to the proportions and scale of the space, striving for perfect harmony in every detail. Artistry and creativity are indispensable elements in the design style of Candy and Candy. They often collaborate with artists and craftsmen, integrating custom artwork and handicrafts into the interior design to add unique personality and an artistic flair to the space. From sculptures and paintings to installation art, these works of art not only beautify the space but also demonstrate Candy and Candy's deep understanding and respect for culture and the arts. In terms of material selection, Candy and Candy favor high-quality natural materials such as marble, wood, leather, and silk. They have very high standards for the texture and color of materials, aiming to enhance the luxury and comfort of the space through the natural beauty of these materials. At the same time, they are constantly exploring and experimenting with new materials and technologies to create more innovative and unique design effects. The interior design works of Candy and Candy are found around the globe, from luxurious residences to hotels, yachts, and private jets. Their designs always integrate with the local culture and environment, showcasing distinctive regional characteristics. Their designs are not just about shaping space, they are also interpretations of lifestyle and pursuits of beauty. Through the designs of Candy and Candy, we can experience a luxury that transcends the material, a profound understanding of the quality of life and spiritual pursuits. Thank you very much for watching. If you are interested in our video, please like and subscribe to our channel. If you would like to collaborate with us, please contact us through the method provided at the end of the video. See you in our next video.